Rach, now you can sing again.
What?
Now you can sing again. I got it on movie. I did. Well, you started singing again.
Do it again. Oh, I can do it. This is why she's a gnat. That was chipped over something.
Where are you going?
To get a sledgehammer.
Ah.
To go get the sledgehammer.
Here's Rachel taking a sledgehammer to Casey. I'm going to get the evidence on film.
What? Are you going to do it? Yeah, probably.
What really worked is you got the bolts off.
Ow! Yeah, okay.
From here, it looks like you're just missing her head from here, Casey. But it's okay. Hit her. It'll make for better film.
No, don't just let it go.
Rachel, you gotta trust the sledgehammer first a little more.
What?
You gotta trust that she's not gonna hit you on the head.
She almost did, but I didn't.
Then you're wise. Yeah, you got the love on it. Get down. To go up.
Okay, get it up.
No.
Go like this.
Casey, all right. You need me? All right, without she's trained on.
I've never done this before. Yeah, something like that.
Oh!
Hold the handle level and go up and down like that.
That's harder. Zoom in on her foot.
Casey, clear out.
Okay.
Clear out, Casey.
Rachel, you're sticking your tongue out when you do it? Like your mom does? That'll help.
This is not too late.
Like Pete said, trust your sledgehammer. Is it high enough? There you go. Good job, Rachel.